Hi everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we're going to practice English by listening to a natural and realistic conversation about a busy mom's daily routine. This lesson is great for improving listening, speaking, and everyday vocabulary. As you listen, try to repeat after me and focus on how the sentences flow naturally. Make sure to stay until the end for some useful vocabulary and phrases. Let's begin. My name is Sarah, and I'm a busy mom with 2 children. Every day starts early for me. My alarm rings at 5:45 a.m., and even though I feel tired, I get out of bed right away. I like having a few quiet minutes before the house becomes busy. First, I walk to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. While I drink my coffee, I check my messages, look at the schedule for the day, and take a deep breath to prepare myself. Around 6:15, I start making breakfast. Most mornings I cook something simple: eggs, toast, or oatmeal. My kids usually wake up around 6:30, and once they enter the kitchen, the quiet morning becomes full of energy. They talk, laugh, and sometimes argue, and I try my best to keep everything calm and organized. I help them get dressed, brush their teeth, and pack their school bags. At 7:10, we leave the house. I drive them to school, and the traffic is often busy, but I try to stay patient. After dropping them off, I head to work. I have a part-time job at an office, and I usually start at 8 a.m. My mornings at work are filled with emails, phone calls, and meetings. Even though I'm busy, I enjoy my job because I work with great people, and every day feels productive. At noon, I take a short lunch break. Sometimes I bring food from home, like a salad or leftovers from dinner, and other times I buy something quick from a cafe. I use this break to relax for a few minutes and reset my mind before the afternoon. My workday ends at 2 p.m., and then it's time to pick up the kids. As soon as they get into the car, they start telling me about their day, what they learned, who they played with, and what they want for dinner. When we get home, the afternoon becomes busy again. I help them with homework, do a little cleaning, and start preparing dinner. Some days the kids have activities like soccer or music lessons, so I drive them there and wait in the car while they practice. Around 6 p.m., we finally sit down for dinner together. This is one of my favorite moments of the day because we all get to slow down and connect. We share stories, laugh, and enjoy being a family. After dinner, the kids take a shower, and I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes, wipe the counters, and prepare lunch boxes for the next day. By 7:30, it's bedtime for the kids. I read them a short story or talk with them about their day. After I turn off the lights and close their door, I finally have a little time for myself. Sometimes I watch a show, sometimes I fold laundry, and sometimes I sit quietly and enjoy the peace. Around 9 p.m., I take a shower and get ready for bed. Before sleeping, I check that the doors are locked and everything is ready for the morning. Finally, at around 9:45 p.m., I lie down and reflect on the day. Even though life is busy, I'm grateful for my family, my home, and the routines that keep us connected. Being a mom isn't always easy, but it's full of love, joy, and moments that make everything worth it. Before we finish, here are some vocabulary and phrases you can use. Prepare myself. Prepare myself means to get ready for something, mentally or physically. Example: I need to prepare myself for the meeting. Run smoothly. Run smoothly means to work well without any problems or interruptions. Example: I wake up early so my morning routine can run smoothly. Drop off. Drop off means to take someone or something to a place and leave them there. Example: I drop off my kids at school every morning at 7:10. Productive. Productive is able to get a lot of work done or achieve good results. Example: my mornings at work are always productive because I focus on my tasks. Reset my mind. Reset my mind means to relax and refresh your thoughts so you can think clearly again. Example: I take a short lunch break to reset my mind before starting my afternoon work. Homework. Homework is work or assignments that a teacher gives students to do at home or outside of class to help them practice what they learned. Example: I need to finish my math homework before dinner. Connect. Connect is when you feel closer to someone, when you understand them and feel comfortable with them. Example: I feel connected to my best friend. Reflect. Reflect is when you think carefully about something, your day, your feelings, or your actions. Example: I like to reflect on my day before I go to bed. Favorite. Favorite is the one you like the most. Example: ice cream is my favorite dessert. Grateful. Grateful is when you feel thankful for something or someone. Example: I am grateful for my family. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for your English learning. Keep practicing the sentences, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.